TikTok Shop is making creators absolutely rich right now. Even brand new creators, creators that are just starting accounts, even content creators that aren't showing their face. And in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down 5 TikTok Shop affiliate videos that are all making multiple thousands of dollars. What's going on, guys? If you're new here, my name's Mike. I'm the founder of Brands Meet Creators. We run a platform that connects brands with content creators for free. We have dozens of brands on the platform right now that are looking for content creators just like you. This is for TikTok Shop collabs, this is for UGC, influencer partnerships. Go check that out at brandsmeetcreators.com. But let's jump on in. Before I play this one, this is absolutely crazy. This video right here that we're about to pull up on the screen, this thing has already done over $21,000 for this creator. All right, let's just roll the clip. I mean, that video was so simple. It's 4 seconds long, super basic, not really much going on there. And that video is only 5 days old. This thing is printing $4,000 per day for that creator, and it probably took maybe 3 minutes to make. No fancy camera, no crazy setups, no script, no nothing. Just a guy sitting on his couch in his living room, getting a massage, and enjoying an extra $20,000 in his bank account. He makes it look so easy. And what you're gonna notice as we go through all of these videos, it's typically this type of style. Something that's like very basic, it's not salesy at all, looks like it's just filmed on an iPhone, just like your regular person in their kitchen or their living room. This is the stuff that's doing so well on TikTok Shop for creators, and that's why it is so easy for content creators right now, because you don't need a crazy setup. All right, let's jump to the next video. This one has already made this content creator over $11,000. Let's check it out.
The chaos of Christmas is over now, and if you did not get this as a gift, this is your sign to get it for yourself. You will not regret it. If you see the link in the cart below, that means it's still available.
All right, so what we notice off the bat is she just has this very like relaxing, nonchalant tone with the hook. She's not like in your face screaming. It kind of matches the vibe of the product, right? She's like getting this massage, very relaxed tone.
Not there, that means it's sold out. Double check and see if you have a coupon. And don't forget to drink your water.
And then her call to action is super soft. She's not like, go buy it now, go buy it now. She's like, hey, this stuff's probably sold out. You can check it out. It might still be available for you. It might not. Like, I don't really care either way. You should see if it's there or not. Super cool call to action. I like that. You don't really see that too much, but I bet you that that has a huge impact on why this video is doing so well. Again, come on, guys. Very basic video. You're telling me you watching this right now, you can't make something like that? That video, again, has made her already $11,000, and that's just one video. Most of these creators, they're making 1-2 videos every single day, and they're just stacking these commissions up. All right, so now we're about to roll video number 3. This video is from Emily. She's actually one of our Academy students. She has one of the craziest stories I've heard. A year ago, she was homeless, and now she has just rented her dream apartment, absolutely crushing it. One of the coolest stories I've heard. And this video right here that we're about to show has generated her over $20,000 already. She absolutely crushed it with this one. Hey, real quick, if you are interested in getting onto TikTok Shop, whether you're an existing content creator or you've never done content creation before, we have just launched our TikTok Shop Challenge. This is everything that you need to know about TikTok Shop, step-by-step tutorials, how to get started and how to start earning consistent commissions. If you want to join the challenge, I'm going to leave a link somewhere below. We have some crazy prizes in there too, like a free ticket to our 2024 in-person mastermind event. I'm super excited with this. I've really never seen an opportunity like TikTok Shop before, and I'm super excited to see you in there. Let's play the clip.
No, seriously, if you've been wanting a digital camera to take cute photos with your friends like this.
All right, so that hook's awesome. It's like she's already in the video. There was no like, hey, check out this camera. She starts it with no seriously, as if you're just like mid-conversation with her. It's a really cool way to just bring someone into your video. Just act like that conversation was already starting. So I love the hook.
But you know, to get photos with this effect, you're gonna be paying like $200.
All right, then what she does right here is she's price anchoring. right? So she's saying if you want photos like this, typically you would be paying $200. So that's kind of like your price anchor right there.
In this economy, absolutely not, so I did some digging. I searched around and came across this insane deal on digital cameras.
Then she talks about how she's been doing research, trying to find, a cheaper way to do this. And now she found this great deal on Amazon for 50 bucks. So already, as a viewer, in your head, you're like, oh, $200, like that's where my price anchor was before. Now she just found something for 50 bucks. All right, cool, that's awesome.
Amazon is literally selling this exact camera for $50, but it's on TikTok Shop right now for only $17.
And then she goes, it's on TikTok Shop right now for $17. So she like drops this price twice. In your head, you're still stuck on like digital camera, 200 bucks. It's available for $17 right now on TikTok Shop.
$17 for a digital camera is insane, plus they have different colors to choose from. The sale on TikTok Shop ends on Sunday, so make sure you get one before they all sell out.
Then she drops the urgency on you. That deal ends on Sunday. Make sure you get them before they sell out. Genius video. You can see why this thing has generated her over $20,000. And what you notice in this video is she didn't even show her face and she didn't even show the product. She's just like filming it on the screen. Absolutely crushed it. Great work. Now, this next one is crazy too. This next video has earned this content creator over $6,000. But here's the crazy part. This account is brand new. He made this account 13 days ago and just has 500 followers right now. And he doesn't even show his face. This is literally something that anyone can do. I've been putting everyone I know onto TikTok Shop lately. My siblings, friends, everyone I know, regardless if you're a content creator or not. Watch this video and tell me that you can't do this. This has made this creator $6,000 already.
Be careful, like really be careful if you're about to take this and this together at the same time.
All right, so really good hook right there, right? It's kind of this reverse hook where instead of coming off like he's trying to sell you something, it's actually the opposite. He's saying, be careful. You also notice too, a lot of motion, right? It's not like he's just holding it still. Like I get the feel that this is just like a regular guy just filming a video, right? And it also doesn't come off crazy salesy at first. He's using that reverse hook. Love the intro.
Because you're going to have all these amazing herbs and vitamins and minerals coursing through your veins. And if you were to buy this on Amazon, you'd be paying $54.99 for the seed moss. And for the Shilajit, you'd be paying $34.99.
All right, then he drops some features in there, some features and benefits. And he also does the price anchoring, just like we saw in the last video, right? Hey, normally this is what you would be paying.
You'd be spending so much more bread than if you just buy it on the TikTok Shop. Trust me, guys, once I started taking this, my brain fog left.
Quick reference to the TikTok Shop and how it's cheaper than if you would get it on Amazon.
My anxiety's gone. It's like ADHD meds. I don't even take my Adderall. The bundle deal ends soon, so you might have to pay the Amazon prices if you don't get it right now.
All right, then he's talking about how this product has changed his life and adds that little urgency at the end. Hey, this deal's ending soon. If you miss the deal, it's gonna be way more expensive if you have to get it on Amazon. Great video, doesn't even show his face. This probably took 5-10 minutes to make, and it's already made him over $6,000 on a brand new account that he started 13 days ago. This opportunity right now is crazy with TikTok Shop. All right, we're about to roll the last video right now. This one is mind-boggling to me. In the last 30 days, from this video, she has made $85,000. That is more than what most people make in a full year. And this took her maybe 5 to 10 minutes to make and probably absolutely changed her life. Let's roll the clip.
Went to dentist today. My numbers went from 5 to 6 to 2 to 3. I'm still in shock and so excited. This stuff is amazing. Been using it for 4 months now.
The video is a reply to comment video. So she's just reading someone else's comment. And so this is adding a little bit of social proof, right? It's not coming from her. She's not like, hey, this is the best in the world. This is amazing. She is reading someone else saying that. Great dynamic to start the video because it doesn't come off as crazy salesy. It's like you're reading what someone else said about it. So that's the hook, and it seems super organic to TikTok. She just comes off as like a person I would trust, right? Just like a woman in her kitchen. It's not like super professional. She's got like a little clutter in the sink behind her, right? Just seems like your everyday person.
Hold up, wait a minute, y'all. I'm going to tell you. Listen, I am posting an orange link to this video to get your correct pulling oil, okay?
All right, then the next part of the video, just super straightforward. She's not even saying TikTok shop. She's like, I am posting an orange link to get it. I think that's cool. It's clever. Clearly it's working for her.
This is the stuff, okay? I went to the dentist as well not too long ago and got a really good report. My gums were 2s and 3s from 20 plus years of not going to the dentist and oil pulling for 9+ months. That is how well this stuff works. It's no joke. It works so well if you're consistent with it, if you keep up with it. My orange link below goes to Guru Nanda LLC's TikTok shop. That is the correct shop for this oil, okay? Now I want you to understand, it's very important because there's oil going around that says Guru Nanda and it's not. Bleeding gums, small cavities, tartar or plaque buildup, if you want to whiten your teeth, if you want to freshen your breath, if you want to help your oral microbiome and help to keep it very alkaline, then this is the stuff.
And she's just telling you about the product, what it does, how it's helped her. Just seems like super authentic, nothing crazy, nothing polished. That video did $85,000. Mind blowing. Guys, I don't know what else to say. Like, if you can't see how much potential is here, like, I don't know what else to show you. I've been literally trying to put everyone I know on to TikTok shop. If you're a content creator, or even if you're like a beginner and you're like, hey, I want to get into this world, I'm gonna drop a link somewhere below. Depending on when you're watching this, we might still be running our TikTok shop challenge. We've been doing some promos for it inside of our academy. We're basically gonna walk you through everything that you need to do, everything you need to know to get started with TikTok shop, to get products, to get started filming and start earning commissions. Check that out below. I don't know if it's still gonna be available when you are watching this. Check it out. Hopefully I'll see you guys in there. Either way, share this with someone that you know should be getting on TikTok shop. I'm out here screaming about this opportunity to everyone I know. I've never seen something like this before. Hope you guys found this super valuable. I'll catch you in the next video.